Hello. Previously we have seen the sound E, which is appearing in the first group of consonants pronunciation. For today, we are going to see 3 different sounds which are appearing in these 3 consonants as well. So today we are on Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, the first group of consonants. As you can see here, the first group of consonants is made up of 3 letters, which are B, C, D, and it is situated between the vowel A in the first position and the vowel E in the 5th position. Now let's move to the sounds line and see what are the 3 other different sounds which are appearing in the first group of consonants pronunciation. These 3 other sounds are So to name the first consonant, which is D, you should be aware of the fact that it is a combination of 2 different sounds, which are E and E. Together, we say D, D. So all in all, B is the name of the second letter in the English alphabet order, and it is a consonant. Same thing for the third letter, the letter C, of the consonant C is the combination of 2 different sounds, which are S, S and E, E. The 2 sounds combined together make the letter C, C. Let's move to the 4th letter in the English alphabet, which is the consonant D. D. D is a combination of 2 different sounds, which are D, 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 and the sound E, E. The 2 sounds combined together, you say D, D, D. Thank you for watching.